Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the question related to K-map. In the previous video we will discuss about the question related to two variable K-map, and now in this video we will discuss about the three variable K-map. So firstly, everyone know what is the designing of three variable K-map. If you don't know what is the designing and how will we design the three variable K-map, so please watch my previous video. So here we can make a K-map for the SOP and POS also, for make a SOP and POS also, for the question related to SOP and POS. So firstly see the question related to SOP. Here is the question is that one f that means function. Here a, b and c, there is three variable a, b and c, there is three variables. So this is the question of three variable. And how we can identify it is a question related to SOP, because here is the one sign, that sign is called summation, So in the SOP question there is one sign that is called summation. If summation is available, so everyone know this is the question related to SOP. But for the POS, which sign is available? The sign is that pi. This is called pi. There are two signs, that is summation and pi. Summation that means SOP and pi that means POS. Here the one more question related to the POS. So this is the question related to POS, because here is one sign available, that is pi. That means this is the question of POS. So you have to know there is two sign, the summation sign that means SOP and the pi sign that means POS. So firstly take a design of three variable K-map. So in the previous video we also design a SOP. Here this is the designing of three variable K-map. So we can write the same thing in our questions. So we can take this example here. So make a design. Three variable K-map, that means 0 to 7. Three variable K-map, that means 0 to 7, that means total 8 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we make a total 8 boxes. So variable is ABC. So we have to write like that here. We have to like A dash A, B dash C dash, B dash C, BC and BC dash. In this question we do not need to draw this design. Only write this type of value, and for your information you can write here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the designing of K-map. Now we can solve this question. So here there is the value 0, 4, 2, 7, 5. This is the value of that question. So that means in the place of 0, we have to put 1. In the place of 0 we will have to put 1. That means it values available for this question. So that's why in this place we have to put 1. In the place of 4, what is the boxes? This is the boxes of 4. So also write 1. Then 2, where is the boxes of 2? The boxes of 2 is this. So again in the place of 2 we have to write 1. Then next one is 7. So the value of 7, here we have to write 1. Then 5. So we can write here 1. This is the values of put it in the designing of K-map. So next thing is we have to make a pair or quad. So here is a value 1, 1. Here is also value 1, 2, 3. There is 3 values. So we do not make a pair of 3 value, because only make a pair, that means 2 or 4. So or 8 also. So here is a 2 value you can make by this pair. So we can make a pair. This is also a pair. Here is a two pair, pair 1 and pair 2. Here also one is left. This value is left. So also make a pair this for 1 with this. Also make a pair with this 2 value, because one value is left, so we also make a pair from this. This value is also make a pair with this. It is correct, not wrong thing. We can also make a 2 pair of one value, one for this and also for this. So we have to write a mean term or max term. So firstly take this boxes, this pair. This is the position of 0 or 4. So we have to write M0, M4, M0, M4. In the M0, M4, there is a row or column. There is a row and column. In this value 0 or 4, in this value, this is the column. In this column, which value is same? In this column, there is two value, B dash and C dash. So we have to write in the place of column B dash or C dash. But in the row, in that row, which value is same? Nothing will be same, because it A and it is a dash. Nothing will same. In the place of row, we have to write only 1, because nothing will same. So the term is B dash C dash into 1. Into, why we are putting into? Because it is the question related to the SOP. So we have to firstly make a product. Next pair is that. Next pair we can take this 2 pair. Here M5 and 7. This is the 5 and 7. So we have to write M5, M7. So in the M5, M7, this is the row and column. In this 2 value, M5 and M7, in the column, in that column, there is a 2 value, there is 2 column, B dash C or BC. Which value is same? In this 2 column, which value is same? Here B dash, here is B. So B is not same. But here also C and here also C. Both had C containing. So in the place of column, we can write C. Now row, it is in second row. There is 5 and 7. So it is in a row, that is A. So here we write A. So the term is AC. A into C. Why you put into? Because in this term also discuss, it is a question related to the SOP. SOP, that means firstly make a product, after then we can make a add. Next one is, we can take this pair. This is also a pair, because when I am folding this type of, so this one is containing in the continuous. Next term, that is M0 or 2. M0 or M2. 0, 2. That's why I am here write M0, M2. And then row and column. Row. In that row, both value is in the same row. The name of the row is A dash. So we have to write in the place of row A dash. And the column, here is the column. This is the column. Here this is the column. Here B dash and here B. B dash and B, both are not same. But C dash, here also C dash. So in the place of column, we can write C dash. So the term is A dash, C dash. So we can get 3 term. So the form of or expression is what is this? B dash C dash into 1. That means it is a B dash C dash. B dash or C dash, by the property of 0 or 1. When we multiply any number with 1, then we get that number only, not 1. So expression is firstly B dash C dash. After that we put a plus, because it is in the form of SOP. SOP, that means firstly make a multiply. So we can take a multiply. After multiplication there is a sum. So here is a multiply. Here is a multiply. After multiply we can take a sum. Then next term is AC. then next term is a dash c dash. So this is the simplified expression of that question. It is the simplified expression of that question. This is the answer. This is the answer. Let's take another question related to the 3 variable K map, but the pattern of question different. We can use a SOP term, not POS. After that question we can take a POS, but now we also make another question related to the SOP. Here the question like that, here taking a value 0, 4, 2, 7, 5, but in the next question we take a variable. This is the question where here is a variable. So let's find out firstly it is SOP or POS. This question in which form? Because in this question never which the sign is applied. There is nothing sign, no summation sign or no pi sign. So how we can identify this is SOP or POS? So let's check. Here A dash, after A dash there is a one multiplication sign. Then B dash, there is again multiplication sign. Then plus. So firstly multiply, after that sum. Firstly multiply, after that sum. So here put the 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's check. Firstly multiply, that means firstly product. So in this two term, SOP or POS, in the SOP form firstly we put a multiply then the sum. So this is a SOP form, because in the SOP form firstly multiply. So here also firstly multiply, after that using a sum sign. So this is the expression of SOP. So let's again designing the K map for SOP. Here is also a 3 variable, because in all expression we can see here is only 3 variable ABC, 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 ABC. So we can make a 3 variable, that means 0 to 7, that means total 8 boxes. Here we write A, B dash, C dash, B dash C, BC, BC dash. So next we put a value. First one is A dash, B dash, C dash. So here is a dash, A dash. Where is the A dash? So this is the box of A dash. Here is the boxes of A dash. So we can write here only, not here. After A dash there is B dash C. Where is the B dash C? B dash C. Where is the B dash C? So here B dash C. In that row we write in this column. So only in this column. So this is the A dash, B dash, C. First one is completed. Second one is A dash, B dash, C. Here is also I think one mistake. Question is wrong. Here the question is that here like that A dash, B dash and C dash. So here A dash, that means in this row B dash or C dash. So this is the column of B dash and C dash. So in this point we have to write 1. The next one is A dash, BC. Here is A dash and BC. BC here is the 1. So we have to write A dash, BC in this place. Then AB dash, AB dash. AB dash, that means A. That means second row, B dash C. This is the second column. In second row, second column we have to write 1. The next one is A dash, BC dash. It is a dash and BC dash, that means this is the BC dash. So here we write 1. Then ABC. So this is the A and BC, that means third column. So here we write 1. So now this is the designing of K map after putting a value. So let's make a pair. So here is we can make a quad also. Because in the first row there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 value continuous. So make a 1 quad. So after that there is 1, 1. There is also make a pair like that. But also if when we use this 2 value, also make a 1 quad. So we can make a 1 more quad like that. I know these two values also pair with another one, but we can also use this two value with one. So it is a correct form, not wrong thing. So let's write the term, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So firstly make this quad, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here we write M0, M1, M2, M3 in the row and column. So in that one, all are quad is available in the first row. The value, that means the name of that row is A dash. So here we write in the name of row, that is A dash. But in the column, in that column, there is 4 column, this all 4. In the 4 column, nothing value will be the same. So firstly check, in this column B dash is same, but in this V dash is not available, so V dash is not common. Then C, here is C and here is C dash and C, here also C and C dash, but in the all column there is not a C dash or not only C, there is a mix up, so nothing will be common in column. So here we write 1. Then next pair, the next pair is that this is the next pair, that means 1, 3, 5 or 7. So M1, M3, M5 or M7. 1, 3, 5 or 7. This is the 3. So in that quad, what is the value in the same? In that quad there is 2 row, A dash or A. So in that quad, row is not contain any same value, so we have to write 1. And that column there is 4 value, there is quad, there is here B dash C, BC. Which value is same in these two term? So in this two term there is one value same, that is C. So we have to write C in the place of column. So the term is, in that term is A dash, in that term is C. So expression is, so what is the expression? It is in the form of SOP. So after that term we put a plus sign because it is in the form of SOP. We can multiply, also multiply, that means that is 1 and C with 1. This is the multiplication. So after multiplication, that means 1 or 1. After multiplication there is some sign, that is, this means this is in SOP. We also write like that. This is the expression of SOP for 3 variable SOP. Now in this video we will discuss about the 3 variable K-map question related to the SOP. There is 2 question. First question is that use a summation sign. This is different type question. Another one is that question. This is the another question related to SOP. In the next video we will discuss about the 3 variable question related to the POS. In the next video discuss about the 3 variable question related to the POS. So you can learn this clearly, and for more understanding solve this question related to the 3 variable K-map for SOP. Thank you.